Remember when orange juice actually tasted like oranges? When you could pour a glass and smell that fresh citrus aroma? When the label said 100% juice and you believed it, because surely a company wouldn't lie about something that simple. Real oranges, squeezed and bottled. That was it. No added water, no flavor packs, no ingredients you couldn't pronounce. Just honest orange juice that tasted like sunshine in a glass. Those days are gone. Walk into any British supermarket today and you'll see entire refrigerated sections dedicated to orange juice. Cartons promising fresh, pure 100% juice. Labels showing plump oranges and dewy leaves. Marketing claims about no added sugar and natural goodness. They've convinced us that all orange juice is basically the same. That 100% juice means what it says. That we can trust these major brands to deliver what they promise. But here's what they're not telling you. Most orange juice sold in UK supermarkets isn't fresh at all. It's been stored in massive tanks for up to a year, stripped of oxygen to prevent spoilage. And when you remove the oxygen, you remove all the flavor and aroma. So they add it back using something called flavor packs. These are chemical compounds derived from orange byproducts and engineered to taste like fresh orange juice. The industry calls it 100% juice because technically the flavor packs come from oranges. But you're not drinking fresh juice, you're drinking reconstituted, chemically enhanced orange-flavored liquid that's been sitting in storage for months. The British orange juice industry has spent decades perfecting the art of making old juice taste fresh. They've hired flavor scientists to create profiles that mimic freshly squeezed oranges. They've lobbied to keep labeling requirements vague, so you can't tell how old the juice actually is or what's been added. And they've built empires on selling us products that bear no resemblance to the fresh orange juice we think we're buying. For generations, we've trusted these brands. We believed that 100% juice meant pure and simple. We assumed that major retailers wouldn't deceive us about something as basic as orange juice. But that trust has been systematically betrayed. These companies know their juice isn't fresh. They know it's been stored for months and chemically enhanced. And they keep selling it as 100% pure juice because we keep buying it. Today, we're exposing 5 UK orange juice brands that are lying to you with every carton. Brands that hide behind the 100% juice label while selling you something very different from what you think you're getting. Will your breakfast staple make the list? Or have you been starting your family's day with reconstituted flavor-enhanced juice while paying premium prices for freshness you're not receiving? Let's find out. Coming in at number 5, we have Tropicana, the brand with the straw in the orange, the packaging that screams fresh and natural, the marketing that positions it as premium, pure orange juice. Tropicana costs more than most other brands, suggesting you're getting superior quality. But that premium price doesn't buy you fresh juice. Tropicana uses a process called flash pasteurization. The juice is heated to high temperatures to kill bacteria, then rapidly cooled. This extends shelf life dramatically, but destroys many of the natural vitamins and enzymes. That's why Tropicana, like most commercial orange juice, has to add vitamins back in. If you see added vitamin C on the label, that tells you the natural vitamin C was destroyed during processing. But here's what really concerns me about Tropicana: the flavor packs. After pasteurization, the juice is stored in massive aseptic tanks with the oxygen removed. This prevents spoilage, but also removes all the natural flavor and aroma compounds. So Tropicana adds back what they call flavor and fragrance packs. These are created by flavor companies using chemicals derived from orange oil and orange essence. The result tastes like orange juice, but it's been engineered to taste that way. And the not from concentrate claim. Tropicana markets heavily on being not from concentrate, as if that means it's fresher. But not from concentrate just means they didn't remove the water and add it back. They still stored it for months, stripped it of oxygen and flavor, then chemically enhanced it. You're not getting fresh juice, you're getting old juice that's been made to taste fresh. At number 4, we have Innocent, The brand that built its entire identity on being natural, pure, and honest. The quirky packaging with friendly messages. The promise of nothing but fruit. Surely a brand called Innocent wouldn't deceive customers about what's in the bottle? They absolutely do. Innocent orange juice goes through the same process as every other commercial brand. Pasteurization that destroys natural vitamins. Storage in oxygen-depleted tanks. Flavor packs added to restore taste. But Innocent's marketing makes you believe you're getting something different. Something fresher. Something more natural. What makes Innocent particularly frustrating is the price. You're paying premium prices for juice that's been processed the same way as cheaper brands. The only difference is the packaging and the marketing. One investigation found that Innocent orange juice had been stored for up to 10 months before being bottled and sold as fresh. 10 months. That's not fresh juice. That's nearly year-old juice that's been chemically enhanced to taste acceptable. And the smoothie connection. Many people buy Innocent orange juice because they trust the brand from their smoothies. But orange juice and smoothies are very different products. Smoothies contain whole fruit, which provides fiber and slows sugar absorption. Orange juice is just the liquid with all the fiber removed. You're getting a massive sugar hit with none of the benefits of whole fruit. One glass of Innocent orange juice contains as much sugar as a can of Coca-Cola. That's not a health drink, that's liquid sugar with vitamins added. Number 3 is Tesco Finest Fresh Orange Juice. The premium own brand option. The one that costs nearly as much as Tropicana, but comes with the Tesco Finest badge suggesting superior quality. The packaging shows fresh oranges and promises pure pressed juice. Surely Tesco's premium range wouldn't cut corners. They absolutely do. Tesco Finest Orange Juice is made using concentrate. Despite the fresh branding and premium positioning, this juice has had the water removed, been stored as concentrate, then had water added back before bottling. That's the definition of from concentrate. But the packaging is designed to make you think you're getting fresh pressed juice. And the storage time. Even after reconstitution, this juice sits in storage before reaching shelves. The best before dates are often weeks or months away, which tells you it's been heavily processed and preserved. Fresh orange juice, the kind you'd make at home, starts losing quality within hours. Commercial juice that lasts weeks has been treated extensively. But here's what makes Tesco Finest number 3. The deception. They're charging premium prices and using premium branding while delivering a product that's fundamentally the same as their value range. The oranges might be slightly better quality, but the processing is identical. You're paying for marketing, not for actual quality. One customer described buying Tesco Finest orange juice, expecting restaurant-quality fresh juice and getting something that tasted artificial and chemical. That's because it is artificial. The flavor has been engineered. If you're still watching and finding this valuable, I'd really appreciate it if you'd leave the number 3 in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed to UK Food Exposed yet, please consider subscribing and ringing that bell. Your support allows us to keep exposing the truth about what we're really buying. Now, let's continue. At number 2, we have Sainsbury's Taste the Difference Freshly Squeezed Orange Juice. Another premium own brand option. Another product using fresh and squeezed in the name to suggest quality and authenticity. The packaging is sophisticated. The price point is high. Everything about it suggests you're getting genuine freshly squeezed juice. But freshly squeezed is a meaningless term in commercial orange juice. Yes, the oranges were squeezed, but that squeezing might have happened months ago. The juice was then pasteurized, stored in oxygen-free tanks, and had flavor packs added before being bottled. By the time you buy it, there's nothing fresh about it except the marketing and the pulp. Sainsbury's Taste the Difference comes with bits, which are supposed to suggest it's more natural and less processed. But that pulp has been added back. Commercial orange juice production separates everything: the juice, the pulp, the oils. Then they recombine them in specific ratios to create consistent products. That pulp you're seeing isn't proof of freshness, it's proof of industrial processing. What makes Sainsbury's number 2 is the premium pricing combined with the misleading terminology. Freshly squeezed suggests the juice was squeezed recently and bottled immediately. But that's not what's happening. The oranges were squeezed months ago. The juice has been stored, processed, and chemically enhanced. You're paying premium prices for industrial juice with premium marketing. Multiple customers report that Sainsbury's Taste the Difference orange juice has an odd aftertaste, a slightly bitter chemical flavor that lingers. That's the flavor packs. When flavor compounds are isolated and added back, they don't taste exactly like natural orange juice. Your palate can detect the difference, even if you can't consciously identify what's wrong. And here we are. Number 1. The absolute worst offender. The brand that represents everything wrong with how orange juice is marketed in the UK. It's Tropicana Smooth. Not regular Tropicana, but specifically their smooth variety. The one that promises no bits and a perfectly smooth drinking experience. Tropicana Smooth is filtered to remove all pulp and fiber. That filtering process also removes more of the natural compounds that give orange juice its character. So even more flavor packs are needed to make it taste like orange juice. You're drinking the most processed, most chemically enhanced version of orange juice available. But here's what makes Tropicana Smooth the absolute worst. The health claims. This product is marketed as a healthy breakfast choice. A glass of Tropicana Smooth contains 20 grams of sugar. That's 5 teaspoons. With no fiber to slow absorption, that sugar hits your bloodstream immediately, causing a spike followed by a crash. You're starting your day with what's essentially a sugar bomb that will leave you hungry and tired within an hour. And the vitamin fortification. Tropicana Smooth adds vitamins to replace what was destroyed during processing. But synthetic vitamins aren't absorbed the same way as natural vitamins from whole fruit. You're getting a vitamin supplement mixed with sugar water and flavor chemicals. That's not a health drink. That's a highly processed beverage masquerading as nutrition. The orange juice industry has successfully convinced us that drinking juice is equivalent to eating fruit. It's not. When you eat an orange, you get fiber that slows sugar absorption. You get the full spectrum of vitamins and compounds working together, and you get satiety that prevents overconsumption. When you drink orange juice, especially filtered juice like Tropicana Smooth, you get pure sugar with synthetic vitamins added. One nutritionist described commercial orange juice as vitamin-fortified sugar water. And they're right, so those are the 5 worst UK orange juice brands lying to you with every carton. 5 products hiding behind 100% juice labels while delivering something very different from fresh orange juice. But here's what you need to understand. Real fresh orange juice exists. You just need to know what to look for. The best option is making your own. Buy fresh oranges and squeeze them yourself. Yes, it takes a few minutes, but you're getting actual fresh juice with all the natural vitamins, enzymes, and compounds intact. It tastes completely different from commercial juice because it hasn't been stored for months and chemically enhanced. If you must buy commercial juice, look for brands that are genuinely fresh. Some smaller producers make juice daily and deliver it to local shops with very short shelf lives. These products cost more and last only a few days, but that's what real fresh juice does. If your orange juice lasts weeks, it's not fresh. And consider eating whole oranges instead. You get all the benefits of the fruit, including fiber that prevents blood sugar spikes. One orange provides vitamin C, fiber, and natural compounds that work together. A glass of commercial orange juice provides sugar and synthetic vitamins. The whole fruit is always the better choice. Check the labels carefully. If it says from concentrate, you know it's been heavily processed. If it has a long shelf life, you know it's been extensively treated. If it lists added vitamins, you know the natural vitamins were destroyed. And if it's filtered or smooth, you know even more processing has occurred. The uncomfortable truth is this. The orange juice industry has built an empire on deception. They've convinced us that 100% juice means pure and fresh, when it actually means heavily processed and chemically enhanced. They've made us believe that drinking juice is as healthy as eating fruit, when it's actually closer to drinking soda, and they've charged premium prices for products that cost pennies to produce. But you know better now. You know that 100% juice doesn't mean what you think it means. You know that fresh on the label doesn't mean recently squeezed. You know that premium pricing doesn't guarantee quality. The next time you're standing in that supermarket aisle, reaching for the familiar carton with the orange on the front, remember this. You're not buying fresh juice. You're buying reconstituted, flavor-enhanced, months-old liquid that's been engineered to taste like oranges. Your family deserves better. They deserve actual fresh juice or whole fruit that provides real nutrition, not sugar water with synthetic vitamins and chemical flavoring. The choice is yours, but at least now you're making an informed choice. What are your thoughts? Have you been buying any of these orange juice brands? Share your experiences in the comments below, and if you found this helpful, please subscribe to UK Food Exposed and ring that bell. We're going to keep exposing the truth about what's really in our fridges. Thank you for watching, and remember, demand real food,